Hey everyone, welcome to ASU Three Rivers Welding Laboratory. This is our high school career center welding area. This is where we'll be working this year. I'll be teaching SMAW and fabrication this year, starting off with SMAW first semester. So I want to welcome you guys here, all the parents, students that are watching this video. I'm looking forward to a fantastic year. I got some plans in mind with setting some goals at the beginning and achieving them goals towards the end. So it's going to be an exciting and great year for us here. I look forward to having each and every student that applied in my classroom. So if you don't know me, you can feel free to contact me. My information is cstovall@asutr.edu. My office number, 501-332-0254. Anytime you're welcome to email me, call me, leave a message. I'll get back with you. I'll be glad to talk to you about the program. If you're unsure about something, things like that, I could definitely answer your questions for you. Welding is a good career. You make a lot of money welding. There's a lot of jobs out there, a lot of aspects of welding. Sales, we got tool room attendants, we have safety monitors, we have supervisors. Each and every student's going to be able to experience each one of those jobs as well as hands-on welding. So keep that in mind as we go out through the year. You don't have to have that stinger in your hand to be in the welding field. It's just something I want to remind you about before or during this course. So even though you're not the hands-on person, there's jobs out there for you in the welding field, so keep that in mind. We're going to go through some changes due to COVID. Everybody's used to that by now. I'm not going to talk a lot about it, but just be prepared to make changes where it's necessary, whether it be masks or things like that. Just be prepared for that, because we may have to do things throughout the year. But I just want to welcome you once again. I'm gonna show you one more time this welding lab. This is where we'll perform most of the welding tasks. Of course, we got another area that we use for fabrication, but we'll get to those later in the second semester. So you guys have any ideas, any questions, comments, things like that, please feel free to contact me. And I look forward to seeing you. Once again, Chris Stovall, cstovall@asutr.edu, 501-332-0254. Thanks.